Twins, and today we'll be doing another video. In today's video, we'll be making a baby doll room dollhouse room. So let's get straight onto the video. Here, what you'll need. A box. You can also use a shoebox or cereal box. Paint, tacky glue, a notebook cover, which we'll be using for the rug. Last but not least, a paper pad with designs. If you have a box like me, you want to cut off the cover. Now, instead of having a roof, you want to cut it off so you have some light. Voila! Now pick out a design. I think this will do. Get your tacky glue. Spread it all over the paper. Now stick it to the good side of the wall. Repeat the same thing with your other piece of paper. Now place on your rug. Mine has like a sticky stuff on the back, so I can just stick it right on there. Now paint on a frame or an edge for your walls to give it detail. Like that! And there is your final product. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to become an official M&M twin. And don't be a Skittle. Bye!